Hello and welcome you all for weekly healthcare update from Cynodent International. We are here with a new video about weekly healthcare update. So without any delay, let's move to the video. Pandemic binge drinking could be behind a spike in people who needed liver transplant. New research connects two personality traits with the hallmark of Alzheimer's disease and released dementias. People with anxiety and depression may need a COVID-19 booster dose. Scientists find 13 candidate genes associated with the fitness outcomes. A water pill may stave off Alzheimer's by targeting genes responsible for this condition. A new research in mice finds links between Western diet and cognitive decline. Researchers untangles dopamine's diverse function. NIH researchers identify how two people control HIV after stopping treatment. NIH study suggests people with a rare disease face significantly higher healthcare cost. So our last update of this video is about COVID-19 data of total cases and COVID vaccination data which are given on the screen. So with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.